Hey guys, today's video is going to be a vlogging Saturday. So in today's video, there is going to be me cleaning my slime room, and you guys are probably going to be shook when you see this, so let's let you see it. So here we go. This place is so messy. It's in desperate need of a clean. I'm not going to clean these drawers. But like here, this place is not too bad, but yeah, it's in desperate need of a clean. And I'm just gonna put this in time lapse and show you guys. So here we go. So hey guys, hard work definitely pays off. Hey guys, hard work definitely pays off, especially when you organize everything. And look, this is so organized. There are bins and stuff, and over there not so much, but did you guys see the before and the after? Like, this is amazing, and I did this all by myself. So this is so awesome, and it's so great, but I'm just gonna rummage a few stuff around, and yeah.